Hello friends, welcome to my channel Green Bengal. I am Abhishek. Today I am going to show you how to graft moon cactus. Grafting is a propagating method in which two plants are joined together and grow as a single plant. In grafting, lower part which is attached to soil is called rootstock and upper part is called scion. Moon cactus is a very beautiful popular cactus plant in the family Cactaceae. It is easily propagated through grafting. In this video I am going to show you how to graft moon cactus. First of all, gently separate the moon cactus pups. Take a sharp cutter or knife and sanitize with rubbing alcohol. Take a dragon fruit cactus. It used as a rootstock plant. Flat cut top of the rootstock and slightly cut side portion. This will give a better connection to graft. Flat cut bottom of the scion. Place scion top of the rootstock. Use this transparent plastic paper cutting to hold scion in place and tie with rubber band. Similar way to graft another cactus. Keep it in partial shaded place. After 1 week, cactus look like this. Now it's time to removing plastic paper. Gently remove the rubber band and remove the plastic paper. Hope you enjoy this video. Please like my video and share my video. Have you any query? Please comment me and subscribe to my channel and click bell icon for latest update. Thank you.